guys!
Hi guys!
Today let's open the cool paint tea set.
Yeah!
Yes! Let's open it.
Green one.
Okay, we have colors here. Pink, green, red, orange, yellow, and white. And now Nika will color these beautiful teacups.
Oh yes!
Okay, let's see how she's doing that.
Nice.
Oh, Nika, that's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a plate for the cup.
Now yellow. Yellow. Yellow's right here. Okay, let's put it in yellow.
Yeah, the yellow is gonna be looks like this one, and the pink one we gonna decorate a little bit later. Now we are waiting to get dry the plate and the cup. Now she's doing the yellow one. Okay. It looks so beautiful color. Yes?
Yeah.
It's like a spring color.
Yeah, sprinkles. Sprinkles over there too.
Yeah, they're all like spring colors.
Yeah. Now red one. Let's put it. Oh, excuse me. Now put the red one in the and smile. Yay! Look, smile.
That's good.
Now let's see.
Now we're coloring the cup with the red color. And the rest of the plates is drying. Okay, and the yellow one is almost done. So beautiful.
Yeah.
Nika, you're doing a great job.
Yeah.
Okay, now the next one is a green color.
Green color is right here.
Yes, let's start it.
Green one. Oh, touch, not touch. Wow. Yoo-hoo. No side.
No inside, only a side. Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
Mhm.
This is a no side.
Yeah.
Wow, so much green one. Green one is the holder first.
Yes!
Oops. She was here. Ah! Somebody!
Now we're gonna decorate with Q-tips the teacups. Yes?
Yeah.
A sugar bowl with lid and creamer.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start it. No, you can do some red color, green color, pink or orange.
Red one.
Okay. Okay. Now you can put some yellow. Yes.
I put the really yellow one right here.
Yes. Okay. Let's see how it's gonna be. No, don't put it in the cup. Okay. Turn around. Okay, looks good. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the teacup. You can put now the orange color.
Orange color.
Yes.
Oil. I mean you. Merch.
Big one.
Big one. Yay!
Be careful. And let me see. Show me. Wow. Great job. Very beautiful.
Monster.
Oh my god. Looks like a monster. Oh my god. This is happy smile.
No, it's
And
a
this
monster.
is monster.
Yeah, monster. Stars. Look, I miss flowers. Flowers. Look, I'm aiming sun.
Okay. Nika, you did a great job. This is a beautiful cups, teacups. Let you color different color and make some design. Great job, Nika. Look at this. She did
Look at this.
decoration.
This
This is some hearts. This is some shapes. And this is some flowers.
Flowers.
And this is a beautiful zoo. Thank you for watching, guys.
Follow Nika.